Hi, this is Sandra Tarno with Sandra Tarno Art, and I want to thank you for joining me today on my first video on YouTube. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself and to explain why I wanted to start a channel. I am a Texas artist, self-taught. My mediums include watercolor, charcoal, and acrylic. I'm a nature photographer. I'm a digital art creator. I love admiring my butterfly garden in the spring and summer, and I am sharing with you a video that I took this morning of my birds that fly in every day to take baths, drink water, and eat. We have an assortment. We have visitors of dove, chickadees, cardinals, finches, blue jays, and robins. And we also have squirrels who eat with the birds every day as well. I do have a Boston Terrier named Reba. She'll be 10 years old in a couple of weeks. She's the most popular of all. She pops her head in every Friday on my Facebook page. Why am I starting a channel? Well, one, I'm retired. Number two, I'm self-taught watercolorist, charcoalist, in the use of acrylic, and wanted to share my techniques and tips with you on what I've learned from several of my mentors. I'm not a professional. I do sell my paintings. I've been very blessed in that I have sold quite a few. I do have a space near me where I can show my artwork, and all the artisans in the city are actually in there along with me, and it's a wonderful opportunity for all of us to share our talents and gifts. I would like to share with you my videos of the birds, my butterfly garden. As you can see, it's just now starting to grow. It'll be 4 to 5 feet tall before you can blink an eye. Share the videos of the butterflies that I get. I have planted this year Turk's cap and milkweed, which is supposed to bring in monarchs. So I'm really excited to see if that transpires, and I will share that with you. When I share my artwork and paintings with you, I will not be painting the full painting with you. It's going to be snippets. It's going to be the original artwork and show you techniques and tips that I used to hopefully inspire you to give painting a try. It's not hard. Anyone can do it. And if you're a fan of Frank Clark, who unfortunately recently passed away, he will tell you anybody can paint. Even if you cannot draw, you can paint. And I will share those tips with you. Occasionally, we do take a RV adventure. We have not taken one in the past year. My husband has been very ill, and unfortunately, we were not able to travel. We are planning a trip the end of April to go to Branson with his sister and her husband. We've never been to Branson. I'm actually from Texas. I was born and raised, born in Houston, live in North Texas now, and have since the mid-70s. I have children, grandchildren, my husband of 38 years, and our one Boston Terrier, Reba. We had her mom and dad, and unfortunately, they both have crossed the Rainbow Bridge. Reba's mom, Jessie, had 8 puppies. We kept Reba. Our daughter has one, and several of our friends have others. Reba is spoiled rotten. She won't deny it, and she loves every minute of it. She loves to travel with us, and we've made the decision not to add another dog into our lives until Reba passes. Don't know when that'll be, but until then, she'll be the only one. In my videos with my artwork and paintings, and where I share the techniques and tips to hopefully inspire you, the paintings that I share with you will also be for sale. I do have a website, and it's linked into the links in the YouTube channel. I always offer free shipping. And right now, I've been shipping with frames. I'm going to change that to give it an option of with frames or with just matte. So you can frame it yourself and pick out your own frame. I'll be making that change here in the next week or two. I have a Facebook page, business page, Sandra Tarno Art. You're welcome to join if you would like. I have an Instagram account, Sandra Tarno Art. And I have an account with Fine Art America. Fine Art America takes my prints and will print them on canvas, coffee mugs, framed prints. Anything you can think of, they can print it on there. They do charge shipping, and that is out of my control, but they do some very nice work. I'm going to let you finish watching this video, and I hope if you've enjoyed this and are eager to see what we can do together, I hope you subscribe and turn on notifications and follow along. Thank you so much for viewing. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.